Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Dave here with Go Gamers, and today we're going to be working on my personal iPhone 14 Pro Max. Unfortunately, cracked the back glass. So let's bring it over to the upper cam and see exactly what we got going on today. All right, so as you guys can see, I have my iPhone 14 Pro Max. I actually cracked the back glass in the screen. I put a brand new screen on here. Now I'm going to put the glass on here. I thought about doing a video for when I did the LCD screen, but I was wanting to get it repaired as quickly as possible because obviously this is my personal cell phone and didn't want to do that. Now, obviously, I don't regularly repair phones. Phones is not my thing at all. My specialty is video games, hence the name of the channel. That's all I really repair. If it's not video games, computers, MacBooks, things like that, and that's on my personal channel. So this is actually, believe it or not, going to be my first time repairing a back glass anyways on a iPhone. I've never ever in my life repaired a iPhone back glass. So just in case if you guys want to leave any criticism, feel free to, but this is going to be my first time, and I'm just going to use the knowledge that I have from repairing various other electronics to get this off here. Now, I have the new back glass, and we line these back glasses up. Sorry, I know my screen might kind of be laggy, but you can kind of see the difference. This is a little bit more glassy than this. This is a lot more glossy and glassy. This is a little bit more of a matte finish. So you could tell the difference between the third party and the OEM Apple glass. I would much rather have OEM, but that's all I was able to find. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this glass puncher and I put it on this setting just to see if this is powerful enough to punch the glass. So I'm going to push in and see. Okay, so that is powerful enough so you see we're able to punch through it. Now what I'm going to do is punch through this glass. Hopefully you guys are able to see this phone fine. All right, so I brought it a little bit closer so you guys could get a better look. I can actually tighten this up a little bit more and punch. So I'm just going to go through, fully break through this glass so then I can start to take this back glass off. Alright, so now what I did was I took my 2R heat wand, turned it up to 350 degrees Celsius. I got my airflow at 60%. I'm going to see if that works. Now, obviously, I don't have it hot enough to melt solder, but it should be hot enough to melt the adhesive underneath the glass. So I'm just going to warm up the adhesive at a cool distance and see what we could get. So you can kind of see I got it at an angle because I do not want to risk burning up this phone. Okay, so now I'm going there with this tiny little razor that I actually got with the back glass, and I'm just kind of chipping away at it. So you can see I'm chipping away. So this is obviously a tedious task. So, but the glass is coming up from me heating up this glass and going around it. And once again, I do apologize for any lag that may occur during this video. I have no idea what's going on with my computer. Might actually have to fix my laptop next time too. So all my electronics are starting to break down. Alright guys, so got the back glass on. As you can see, man, I did not do I don't think I did a good job. I don't know. But this is the first time I've ever did a back glass ever. And I am just not used to breaking something to get something off because I'm used to video game repairs, taking apart a game console, desoldering, resoldering. So this is my first thing, but let me show you guys a couple things. First off, it was very difficult to get around the three lenses up here. I actually switched on my 2-lar heat wand. I kept it at the same heat, the same air pressure, but I switched to my smaller nozzle and I got it in between here and that got it out really good. Then I took my glass breaker and I was kind of just going around like that, punching in the glass so I could be able to get underneath it. I did use my toothbrush. I dipped it in 99% IPA to get that in there. I totally screwed up and messed up the MagSafe charger. I'm going to be quite honest. I really don't ever use MagSafe charger. Now I use the magnet. So I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's probably broke. So I don't know. This definitely probably the MagSafe charger is probably definitely not going to work. But I did put the magnets back that I found back in place just to see. I mean, worst come to worst, it doesn't work, and then it is what it is. But I have my new black glass. I do not have any glue, but I bought this one because it has adhesive on it, and when I was reading the reviews, people said like you didn't need to apply any adhesive because it already has it on it. So let's see. And obviously I always keep a case on my phone anyway, so worst come to worst, the back glass falls off one day and I will just have to then go ahead and just use glue. So we have that in place, and I'm just going to press along this glass just to make sure it's fully set. All right, so I have these clamps that I am going to apply it around it and let it just sit for a little bit to allow the foam adhesive on this back glass to fully settle and to make sure it's all level. It looks good. I'm not going to lie. I was expected to completely break this phone to not be successful, and then just going down to the Apple store and just buying an iPhone 15. Because like I said, once again, this is my first time working on the back glass of an iPhone. So I'm not used to breaking something even more before I can actually fix it. So I'm just going to apply 6 of these around the phone and let it sit for a little bit. Alright guys, so now it's time for the moment of truth. I've had it sit now for about 15-20 minutes just to make sure the adhesive, everything is placed down on there. Now like I said, once again, I am not an expert repairing the back glass. This is the first time ever with me repairing the back glass ever. So please hold the crazy comments. Anyone saying anything crazy? I am a total newbie at this. As you guys can see by everything around here, the name, my website, I repair video games. But let's go over to this upper cam. Let's see. So you can see I got it up, and it looks good. I'm gonna remove this. I want to see what it looks like. All right, so just so you can see, this is still my iPhone, just so you can know that I didn't pull a fast one or swap anything out. Like I said, this phone, I guess this will have to do. I really don't like the kind of the matte finish of the deep purple that they give you with the third party. I prefer the OEM, but as we can see from the sides, it looks pretty clean. I mean, it is flush. Camera's messed up and looks good. I wonder, I don't know. I think usually that's supposed to magnetize. I don't remember, but magnet probably doesn't work. If it does, if it doesn't, I really truly don't care. As long as my phone works and all the features are good. So let's check it out. So we got the Apple logo, which is good. I want to make sure, I'm hoping my flash still works. It has a small chip up here, but it seems good. Okay, so this is my phone. Well, first off, let me make sure Face ID works. Well, actually, I have to unlock it first before I can even use Face ID. Okay, so let's use Face ID. Okay, Face ID does work on this phone. So as you can see, here is everything. Let me open up my camera roll. And the camera works. Wow. Everything works. And everything seems good. 1 second. And I just wanted to make sure of random video speakers work. Everything is good. So, wow. I was able to actually fix my own iPhone. And I was literally afraid of completely butchering my own phone. But I got it done. And everything seems flush. I'm just going through it and kind of looking at it. But everything seems... This video, I need to exit out this video. But everything seems good. Like I said, it looks good. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit better on this screen. It's more of that matte finish. It's not like it's not like the glossy deep purple. But I really truly don't even care because I keep a case on my phone and it still broke with the case. The front glass and the back glass replaced. So I have a brand new front glass that I fixed, and I have a brand new back glass that I fixed on camera. So everything is good now. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. And here soon I will be uploading some more video game videos. I know a lot of people have been wondering where have I been. A lot of stuff has been going on, but I will be making some more videos and dropping them on this channel. So if you did like this one, make sure you go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. And let me know what you think about my repair surgical skills on the iPhone for my first time doing this. But besides that, I hope to see you guys on the flip side. See ya.